In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wise bank account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect your bank account to Wise, allowing you to manage your finances more effectively. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to visit the Wise homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Wise URL or simply search for Wise. Once you're there, take a moment to explore what Wise has to offer, especially if this is your first time using their services. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the platform you'll be using. Now that you're on the Wise homepage, look towards the top right corner of the web page. You should see an option labeled Your Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Wise account. It's an important hub where you can make changes to your account settings whenever necessary. Once in your profile, find and select the Payment Methods option. This is crucial because managing how you fund your Wise transactions is a key part of the setup process. Once you click on Payment Methods, you'll see a few options about how to manage funds linked to your Wise account. You might notice options like Save Bank Cards and Connected Bank Accounts. For today, we'll focus on setting up a connection with an existing bank account. So find and click on Connected Bank Accounts. This will allow you to tie your Wise account directly to your bank account, making future transactions a breeze. When you get to the Connected Bank Accounts page, select Connect Your Bank Account. Here, you'll start the process of linking your bank account to Wise. This is where having your bank details ready can save you some time. Double-check your bank account information to ensure the process goes smoothly. Next, you'll need to choose your bank account location. This step helps Wise determine the best way to connect with your financial institution. Make sure to select the correct country or region where your bank is based to avoid any hiccups later in the process. You'll then see an option for instant verification. Select this if you'd like Wise to verify your bank account immediately. This can speed up the setup process significantly, giving you quicker access to Wise's full range of features. Ensure that your bank supports instant verification, as not all financial institutions do. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Wise bank account. Remember, having a connected bank account simplifies your transactions, helps with budgeting, and generally makes your financial life easier. Thank you for watching, and happy banking with Wise.